Hi all. So today we're going to see some nice pure chignon silk ombre saris. Has a nice satin finish, soft to drape and very easy to carry as well. So these are festive collection. As you can see, they have nice embroidery all over the sari with jari border, as well as they are ombre dyed pattern. So this particular sari which I'm wearing now is a very pretty color combination. It has a nice light pink shade to dark purple shade. There are a lot of color options in this, and there are a lot of embroidery patterns as well, all done with stones and glass beads. So let's see how the sari comes all over. So this color is exactly the same thing which I'm wearing, only the color changes. So in this, if you see, it has nice glass beads and stone work all over with a nice jari border. And for all these, it has a nice striped jari pallu with scallop finishing. And you can see the work how it comes, and the shine and the drape is very soft. It has a nice satin kind of a finish. So this is how it comes. So inside portion, the embroidery is only for the bottom part, and for the next 2.5 meters the embroidery comes all over. And this is how the blouse comes. As you can see, it has work for the entire back portion of the blouse, and you can use the borders for the sleeve. The next color is a nice ash blue to navy blue shade. Same kind of a pallu and same blouse. I think in this the blouse work is clearly seen. The work is for the entire back portion. The next color is a flamingo pink to darker shade of pink. The gradation is so smooth and very pretty. This is how the sari comes. Again the same pallu and again the same type of blouse. So this is the next set of embroidery patterns. So I'll just explain how embroidery comes on this particular color. So this has little bigger motifs. It has glass beads, stones and little white pearls as well, and a nice jari border. So for this, the pallu is again a similar one, a striped jari pallu with scallop finishing. For all these saris, the blouse is of darker shade, and as you can see, the same type. It has work for all over the blouse for the back side, and this side also it has border. So you can use this border for sleeves. The next one is a nice shade of dusty pink to wine. So a similar pallu. Very pretty, isn't it? And again a similar blouse with work for all over the blouse for the back side. The next one is light moss green to dark shade of moss green. A very pretty one. This is the most favorite embroidery of mine in this collection. So again, this is a scalloped finished pallu and the same type of blouse which comes in darker shade of green. For all this, it's the same pattern, just the colors are different. And again, this is another color from flamingo pink to darker shade of pink. So all these saris are priced at around 4,500 range. So for each pattern, the prices will vary slightly, so to 4,000 to 5,000. It's basically because it's hand-done embroidery. As you can see, it has glass beads, pearls and stones and all that, which doesn't get into machine. All these are hand-done embroideries. The next pattern, it has zigzag type of work. It has nice cut beads, stones all over in zigzag pattern. Again, same type of pallu, and basically you can go with stone-based jewelry, as all this has that nice blink from stone. And again, this has embroidery for all over the back of the blouse. And this one is a nice shade. It's a powder blue to darker teal green shade. Very beautiful color. And along with the stones, it just has a nice bling and the party wear feel. And if you're looking if it is going to be transparent, I think you can just see the transparency. It is not very transparent, very lightweight. Same type of pallu. So you can just wear it for anything. You can just wear it for parties or for festivities or weddings, anything. So it just suits everything. And for weddings especially, you can wear it for reception and haldis and all that. So if this sari particularly, it just fits into any occasion. So you can just blindly go for it. The price range is also not too heavy for the work because it has hand-done work. So it's the work. It's actually worth the price. So all these blouses, you can just use it to pair it with any other saris as well, because it has embroidery for all over the blouse. So you can just pair it for any sari as well. So just to get this work alone done on blouses, it's going to cost you so much. So you can just use it for any other blouse as well. So it's just worth the money, whatever you're paying for it. To place your orders, you can check the website messma.com, and the codes of which are given below, as well as you can drop into us directly, or you can schedule a video call, or you can send a screenshot of saris on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.